こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Today is vocabulary video number 39 and we're going to learn the differences between some words that means the life. These four words are Seikatsu, Jinsei, Inochi, Seimei. Each of these four words has got a different nuance. At first, this word, Seikatsu, this means daily life. Let's see the kanji. Sei, this is the life. And katsu, this comes from katsudo, activity. So the activities that you do in your daily life, everyday's life. Activities, what you do between waking up and going to sleep. For example, to wake up and to eat, to work, to study, or to go shopping, all of these activities. So, seikatsu is your routine daily life. Let's see some examples how to use this seikatsu. For example, 独身生活. 独身, it means bachelor, single. So, 独身生活, bachelor's life or single life. Married life. Married, we say 結婚, marriage. 結婚生活, 結婚生活, married life. Student life, 学生生活, because student is 学生, student's life, 学生生活. Public assistance or welfare, we say 生活保護. 保護, this word, it means protection. So the protection of your daily life, everyday's life. So 生活保護, this is welfare. New chapter in your life or new start. We say 新生活. 新, it comes from 新しい. New. So new life, not literally. So this is new start. Private life. 私生活. 私生活. And look at this kanji. 私, this is 私. It means I or me. And 生活, so my life. But 私生活, it means private life. Cost of living or living expenses. 生活費. This 費 comes from 費用. 費用, it means expenses or cost. The money that you need to live. So 生活費. I need some money to live my daily life. Or I need some money for my daily life. To live daily life, we can add after this 生活します。生活します to live daily life. The verb to need something いります but the important is the particle is が something がいります生活するお金がいります生活するお金がいります Here I used a relative clause the money to live daily life 生活するお金 As I don't have enough money, so the life is tough. To be sufficient or to have enough. Something が this one also the particle が足ります But if I want to say, oh, it's not enough, I don't have enough, then something が足りません Painful, tough, not easy. This is E adjective. 苦しい、苦しい。お金が足りません。お金が足りませんから、生活が苦しいです。お金が足りませんから、生活が苦しいです。Now, the second word to mean life, this is 人生。人生。But look at this kanji. 人, this is person, 人。Right? So this means human life. So we can never use this jinsei for the animal lives, only for human being. Time limited span from his birth to death, this limited time. And during this limited time, then how you live, what kind of experiences you have. So for example, if I say あなたの人生, this is like your story of life. Let's see some examples. Life is short. 人生は短いです。人生は短いです。Life is beautiful. 人生は美しいです。人生は美しいです。I've never been there in my life. To talk about some experiences, we use this form, 他 form of the verb and ことがあります or ことがありません negative. In this case, 行きます the verb to go. I've been there. And 行きます。他 form 行った。行ったことがあります。I've never been there. 行ったことがありません。人生でそこに行ったことがありません。人生でそこに行ったことがありません。I know there's a game called 人生ゲーム。人生ゲーム。It means a game of life. The next word, 命 the life. 命. Inochi means alive. Alive. So the opposite word is 死 death. Life and death. Inochi, 死. This word 命 is not only for human being, but for every living beings. For example, animals too. And from the moment of the birth till death. And this is inochi, the life. All of us have inochi right now. We've got life. But we lose it when we die. Life is important. Please don't commit suicide. The word important, 大切, this is not adjective, and this is important with all of my love. So important. The noun suicide, 自殺, 自殺. 自 comes from 自分. 自分, it means oneself. 殺, it comes from the verb 殺します, to kill. So not kill someone, but kill oneself. 自殺, suicide. And to commit suicide, I add します, the verb to するします. Then 自殺します to commit suicide. 命は大切です。絶対に自殺しないでください。命は大切です。絶対に自殺しないでください。The child's life is in danger. 子供の命が危ない。子供の命が危ない。You saved my life. I owe you my life. 命の恩人。命の恩人。This is the person who saved someone's life. So the other someone feels a little bit obligation or lots of gratitude toward this person. So 命の恩人, this person who saved someone's life. あなたは私の命の恩人です。あなたは私の命の恩人です。My friend lost his life in a traffic accident. A traffic accident, we say 交通事故. 事故 is only accident. 交通, this is traffic. So traffic accident, 交通事故. The verb to lose, 失います to lose. And this is group 1. So the dictionary form, 失う. And the form and ta form, 失って、失った。Andないform, 失わない。友達は交通事故で命を失いました。友達は交通事故で命を失いました。We also use this word 命 as the most important thing. You are my life. あなたは私の命です。あなたは私の命です。 There's a poetic expression using this word Inochi, and it means while there's life, as long as I live. 命ある限り、命ある限り、限り it means to limit. It comes from the verb 限ります limit. And this is a relative clause. The limit that ある、あります。So あります and 命 the life. So while there's life. The last word meaning life is Seimei. Look at the kanjis. Sei comes from seibutsu. This means living beings. And mei, this is inochi, life. So life of all living beings. When we say seimei, it can mean two things. The one is the life that we've got, the life we've got. And the second is we. It means the living beings, because we've got life. Seimei is quite difficult to explain, but I try. Well, Seimei is the energy itself that we've got. This energy make possible our activities to live from the birth till our death. But not only us, human, but all kind of living beings. When we say life using this word seimei, this is the object of observation or scientific research. Life like DNA or genetic research. A person with strong vitality or vital force. 生命力. Well, 生命, the life. 力, this is 力. The force. So, 生命力, vitality. 生命力が強い人. 生命力が強い人. Life insurance. 生命保険. 保険, it means insurance in general. But 生命, the life. So, 生命保険, life insurance. 生命 is life per se. So, 生命 is like an origin of life. The first life on earth. The earth, we say 地球. Beginning. The first. Start. This is 最初. The opposite is 最後. The end. 地球最初の生命. 地球最初の生命. I hope you could see the differences between these four words meaning life. Now a quiz time with 5 questions. First 2 are the dictation, but so I speak very, very slowly, and you must write them down in hiragana, katakana, and kanji. And at the same time, you must answer these 2 questions. And after that, the last 3 are the translations into Japanese. In this quiz, I'm gonna use the word life, but you must choose which word you must use, okay? Before quiz, I must explain you one word. This is 宇宙. 宇宙. This means the space, the universe. 宇宙. Because there, in the quiz, there's this word, okay? 宇宙. 1番目. 宇宙に生命があると思いますか？宇宙に生命があると思いますか？あると思いますか？宇宙に生命があると思いますか？宇宙に生命があると思いますか？2番目。 今までのあなたの人生で一番楽しかったことは何ですか？今までの、今までの、今までのあなたの、あなたの人生で、人生で、今までのあなたの人生で、一番楽しかったことは、楽しかったことは何ですか？何ですか？今までのあなたの人生で一番楽しかったことは何ですか？今までのあなたの人生で一番楽しかったことは何ですか？ 3番目。From here the translations into Japanese. Daily life in Japan is comfortable or convenient. 4番目。The life of cats is shorter than our life. 5番目。最後です。I'm thinking about my life from now on. Today we learn the word life in Japanese, but in Japanese there are several words to say life. For example, Seikatsu, Jinsei, Inochi, Seimei. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you share my videos with your friends, this is gonna be a big help for me. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can learn more Japanese with me. いかがでしたか？今日は英語では life、スペイン語では vida という単語なんですが、日本語ではいろいろな言い方がありますよね。例えば、生活、人生、命、生命。似ているようなものもありますが、でもそれぞれニュアンスが違いますよね。これらの違いをわかりやすく説明したつもりです。このビデオが良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンと、そしてチャンネル登録も忘れないでお願いします。それから私のビデオをお友達に紹介していただけたら、とても助かります。ぜひ、ぜひぜひお願いします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。